Join 4E Stories and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Liana. She had everything anyone could dream of: fine clothes, delicious food, and servants who did everything for her. But Princess Liana had one big problem. She was very lazy. She never made her bed, never helped in the palace, and refused to learn anything new. Her only interest was sitting by the window and watching the clouds drift by. The king and queen were worried. "Our daughter must learn to be responsible," said the queen. The king agreed and came up with a clever plan. One morning, the king called Princess Liana and said, "Dear Liana, your birthday is coming soon. But to receive your royal birthday gift, you must complete 3 simple tasks." Liana frowned. "Tasks? But I'm the princess." The king smiled. "Even princesses must earn some things." Curious about the gift, Liana agreed. Her first task was to water the royal garden. At first, she grumbled, but as she poured water over the thirsty plants, she noticed how beautiful the flowers looked. "They're smiling at me," she whispered. The second task was to bake bread with the royal cook. She didn't like the heat or the flour on her dress, but when the smell of fresh bread filled the kitchen, she smiled for the first time that day. "I made this," she asked proudly. The third and final task was to read a story to the orphan children visiting the palace. Nervous at first, Liana began reading aloud. The children laughed, clapped, and hugged her when the story ended. "Will you read to us again, princess?" one child asked. Her heart melted. "Yes, I will," she said softly. That evening, the king and queen sat beside their daughter. "You've worked hard," said the queen. "And you've changed," added the king. Liana nodded. "I never knew helping others and doing things on my own could feel this good." For her birthday, the king gifted her a golden necklace shaped like a flower. "To remind you of the garden you helped grow," he said. Liana wore it proudly and promised never to be lazy again. From that day on, Princess Liana became known as the kind princess of the kingdom, and her story was told for generations. Moral: hard work and kindness bring true joy. Even a small effort can lead to big changes.